Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Delight from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a small curve across, and then curve it down from both ends. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve under the nose, and then curve it up and out on both sides. Then for both ends, let's curve it down and bring it towards the center. And then inside the mouth, let's draw a curve across from both sides. Now to draw the rest of the face, I'm going to zoom in. Let's draw the eyes next. Let's start with two curves on top, and then a curve above each one. Next, inside each eye, let's draw another curve at the bottom. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left side next to the eyebrow, and let's draw an angled line down, and the same thing on the right. And then a curve across at the bottom for the chin. Now top to the top, and let's draw another curve across. And then inside on both sides, let's draw a curve for the cheeks. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the ears. On the sides of the head, next to the eyes, let's draw a curve up, curve it down and in. And the same on the right side. Now inside each ear, let's draw a curve near the top, and then one at the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move up and let's draw the hair. From the sides of the head, let's draw a curve up on both sides. Now from the left, let's draw a wavy line up, like this, and then curve it back down on the right side. Now inside of the hairline, let's draw two curves up on the left, a longer one up and in on the right, and another one underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with two lines down for the neck. Now let's hop down in the center and let's draw a small V, and then angle it up on both sides. Now for the ends, let's curve it down and back up to finish off the collar. Next, underneath, let's draw the tie. Let's start with a diamond shape, then two angles down, and a V-shaped point at the bottom. Next, on the top left, let's draw the apple on the shirt. We'll start with two curves for the shape of the apple. Then let's add a stem on top, and then a leaf on the top right. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the shoulders. From the left side of the collar, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And for the right arm, we're going to bring it out and angle it down like this. Now before we continue the arms, let's draw the suspenders. On the right side, let's draw 2 lines down. And the same thing on the left behind the apple. Now at the bottom of each one, let's draw a rectangle. Now top to the sides and let's draw a curve out and back in for the sides of the shirt. And then continue it in between with a curve across. And that's it for the shirt. Now let's draw the right arm holding the book. From the right shoulder line we drew earlier, let's continue the arm by drawing an angle up. And then another bent line underneath in the same way. Then close off the end with a curve across. Next, let's add another rectangle shape at the end. Next, let's start drawing the hand. Let's start by drawing a curve up and then bring it around for the thumb. And then next to it on the right, let's draw a line up and then an angle out. Now inside the hand here, let's draw the book. Let's start with an angled line and then continue it on the other side of the thumb. Now from both ends, let's angle it up and a line across, forming a rectangle. Next, inside the book, let's draw another smaller rectangle, like this. Next, from the top corners, let's draw a small angle up and in, and another line across. And that's it for the right arm. Now before we draw the left side, let's draw the pants first. Let's hop down and let's draw an angled line down and out on both sides. Next, near the top in the center, let's draw a small line across. And then on top of this line, let's draw a line down. And then a curve up on the right. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the pockets. Let's draw a curved rectangle on the left, and the same thing on the right. Now top underneath, and let's draw 2 lines down in the center for the inside of the pants. And then close off the bottom of each pant leg. That's it for the pants. Now let's move back up and let's finish drawing the left arm. From the left shoulder, let's continue the line down and then curve it in at the bottom. Then underneath, let's draw a line down and then curve it back in. Now underneath, let's add the hand. We'll start with a small line down, then angle it in and curve it back up. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's move down and draw the shoes. Underneath the pants, let's draw a curve. And then for the outside, let's draw a curve out and down. Then let's curve it back in. And then an angle up to the heel. Next, inside each shoe, let's draw an angle on top. And then curve it back up. Lastly, let's add the soles of the shoe underneath. We'll start with a rectangle near the back under the heel. Then an angled line next to it. A line down from the front. And then curves across. And that's it for Mr. Delight. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!